To start off with a 19mm socket, remove all 5 of your lug nuts and then take the wheel off. If your wheel is stuck on like this one, go ahead and put on a lug nut for safety and then use a rubber mallet and tap it from the backside, but always hit the tire, not the rim. You don't want to damage the rim. Remove your lug nut and take the wheel off. 18mm socket, try and remove this nut. And I say try because it's probably going to spin with the stud, and I have a solution for that. Before I try locking pliers, I'm going to give the Allen head a shot, put the Allen head in here, and hold the nut with an 18mm wrench. We'll see what that does. All right, let's try this again. Now if you're going this route, you want to have your Allen head tightening. That way it'll spin the stud out of the nut. It actually worked. If it didn't work, let me show you what you want to do. You can get locking pliers right here, and that usually does the trick. Let's try to do the same thing to the bottom. I'm going to try and loosen it up first. Here's your old sway bar link. Now let's put in the new sway bar link. I'm going to start with the bottom first. Start on the nut. All right, same technique and same tools. Let's snug it up. And the torque for this is 48 foot-pounds. Put in your sway bar link up top and start on the nut. Same technique and same tools again. Torque this to 48 foot-pounds. Reinstall your wheel. Start on all 5 of your lug nuts, bottom them out, and torque them to 100 foot-pounds.